Welcome to Programming Minds. In this video, we are going to learn what is binary tree data structure and types of binary tree. So let's get started. A tree is a non-linear data structure which is like hierarchical structure. Each element in a binary tree can have only two children. So here we can see the one binary tree where we have two children for each node. Okay, so we can have maximum two children for any node in the binary tree. Every element of tree contains three members: data member, left pointer pointing to the left child, and right pointer pointing to the right child. So every node in the binary tree, let's assume this is one node and it's containing data as a 10, and it will also contain two pointers, and which will be storing the left side pointer will be storing the address of left side child element which is connected to this, and right side pointer will be containing the address of right side child element which is 30. Okay, and let's understand types of binary tree. So a full binary tree. In full binary tree, every parent node can have two child or no child. So as image shows, in full binary tree, we can have two childs or no childs. So 10 has two childs, 30 has no childs, and 20 also has two childs. Okay. So this is the full binary tree. Now let's go to the second type, perfect binary tree. In perfect binary tree, every parent node can have exactly two child nodes and all the leaf nodes are at the same level. So as image shows, every parent node 10 have two nodes, child nodes, okay, 30 have two child nodes, okay, and 20 have two child nodes, okay, and all the leaf nodes are at the same level. So these are the leaf nodes 40, 50, 60, 70, and these nodes are at the same level. Okay, so let's move to the next type, complete binary tree. Complete binary tree is like a full binary tree with following differences. Okay, so complete binary tree is like a full binary tree which we have seen as a first type. Okay, so every level must be completely filled. Leaf element must be lean towards left. Last leaf element might not have a right sibling. So this is the main difference between complete binary tree and full binary tree. Okay, so in complete binary tree, last leaf element might not have right sibling. So this is the last leaf element which don't have the right side sibling. Okay, so that's why it is called as complete binary tree. Every level must be completely filled. So this level is filled, this level also filled. Okay, next type, degenerate or pathological tree. In degenerate or pathological tree, every parent node can have only one child, either left or right. So here this is the parent node which have only one child which is at the left side. In that case, this is a parent node for the child 40. Okay, and there are only one child for this also which is left child, and if we consider 40 as a parent node, then it have only one child at the right side which is 30. Okay, so this is the degenerate or pathological tree. Okay, next type is skewed binary tree. A skewed binary tree is degenerate binary tree. Every parent node of skewed binary tree can have either left side child nodes or right side child nodes. So types of skewed binary tree are left skewed binary tree and right skewed binary tree. So this is the left skewed binary tree and this is right skewed binary tree. As a definition says, It is like a degenerate binary tree. Every parent node of skewed binary tree can have either left side child. So here we have only left side childs, okay, or the right side child nodes. So here we have only right side child nodes. So this is the example of skewed binary tree. And last type of binary tree is balanced binary tree. In balanced binary tree, difference between the height of left and right subtree for each node is 0 or 1. So here the difference is 1. At this level there are only one node, so difference is 1. Here we have two nodes, so difference is 0, and here also we have two nodes and difference is 0. So this is called as balanced binary tree. So these are the different types of binary tree, and we learned the definition of binary tree. If you like this video, subscribe to the Programming Minds YouTube channel, share it with your friends. Thank you.